Hello, this is a quick intro video on Guide AI. Guide AI is a GPT powered tool that creates video documentation 11 times faster. All you need to do is to simply click capture on their browser extension, and then they will automatically generate step by step video guides complete with visuals, voiceover, and call to actions. You can also share and embed your guide anywhere with their smart copy, and you can also turn your boring documentation into stunning visual guides. Sign up is free at their website, and all you need to do is to install the Chrome extension. On your screen, you can see that I'm already logged into guide.com website, and I haven't added the Chrome extension yet, but because in this video, I'm just going to show you around on the website. So in this tool, all you need to do is to create this how to video or even call to action to any of your documentation as per your company's requirement. There are different plans. There are free plans too, and then there are trial plans. So if we go and see the plans, which will be shown on the screen shortly. So as you can see, there is a free plan which doesn't cost you much, but you can only do the 25 how-to videos, and there are you will still have the watermark. And if you upgrade to Pro, which is just $16 per user per month, there are unlimited how-to videos. So I believe it's a great value. And but if you want to go with business, that is simply out of this world. So anyway, so I will leave it for you. And on this point, I want to make a disclaimer that I have no affiliation with Kite.com. So make your own decision. I'm not suggesting or I'm not unsuggesting any tool here. I'm just reviewing this product for you. So anyway, so when you go to the home page, you can see that you can add by clicking here, you can add your first video. So before you do that, you need to add the Chrome extension on the top right. Very simple, just click and do it. Once you create your videos in my guide section, you will have all of your guides in the visual display. You can also create spaces to collaborate with your team. And once you have a lot of videos, you can also see the insights and other observability stuff here in the inside. One cool thing which I noticed here is the integrations on the left hand menu. So there are a lot of integrations out of box for this. For example, for Chrome, Salesforce, and then Zoom, YouTube. So you can even connect your YouTube channel here, and then you can import your YouTube videos into the guides. So there are a lot of stuff which you can integrate, and I'm sure as it will evolve more, it will have more and more value. I hope that you liked it. If you have already used it and if you have any feedback, please share into the comments. Thank you.